Welcome guys, my name's Dean, I got Sam with me. We're in a 67 Impala.
Going hunt.
We're going hunt.
Woo! Listen to her purr. You ever heard anything so sweet?
For those of you that haven't yet watched the epic show of Supernatural, this is one of the cars from the show.
As described by the director, it's something of a cross between Dukes of Hazzard and Buffy the Vampire Slayer.
Now in the show they did kind of nail this 67 Impala. We've got those classic Craigar wheels that they just don't make anymore. Debadged the whole car. You know, you've got this epic gloss black with all the chrome, and it just looks badass.
Classic American muscle.
It really is.
Huge, black. Sounds tough.
In most TV shows or movies, the actual cars that they use there are pretty rough. Took the owner, what, 7 years to put together, didn't it?
7 years, yeah. So it was a huge build for him, and he came to us to finish it, really.
Yeah, and that's what we did here at Superformance. We made sure that it not only was it legal, but it was safe to drive and actually everything would work. And this thing actually drives pretty damn good.
Pretty nice.
It's stout.
We've done a lot of, as I said, just finishing the car off, getting some wiring bits sorted for him. There was a bunch of issues with the transmission, the car beyond it, so just getting it to run right. And then we've put seat belts in it and got everything mod plated and engineered so it's fully street legal. Big block Chev in this one, beautiful, full stainless exhaust system so you can hear it growl.
So in the TV show, were they a big block?
It's a weird point. So according to the show, it's a 327.
In the show?
Yeah.
Right.
But then the car they use for filming is a 502 big block.
Which is what we've got in this.
Yeah, exactly.
This could very well be maybe the car that Dean and Sam actually drove.
If you two want to get a room, just let me know, Dean. Oh, don't listen to him, baby.
The dash?
Yes, we do have all the crew that have signed the dash. So the paintwork is absolutely flawless. So is the bodywork, which is so hard on such a massive car.
It's 18 foot long and anything in black just shows up every imperfection.
It does. And the interior is just so awesome. Don't get me wrong, what really does make it for me is the signatures of the cast. But it's quite accurate to the actual show as well, isn't it?
Yeah. So he's done the colour combination of the black seats with the tan door cards and the headrest and everything. That wouldn't have been a factory combo.
No.
So he's done that and gotten everything spot on basically. It's an all-around, just a perfect cruiser, and the team of Superformance has just done a great job just making sure that this thing is ready to hit the road and start showing off, eh? Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this epic episode with this really cool rig. Make sure you join next week for another awesome episode here at Superformance. If you need any parts for your car, give us a call, check out the website. See you next time. Thanks for watching guys. Are we Superformance or Supernatural? Supernatural Formance. Supernatural Formance. That's better.